If you've forgotten your DoorDash password, there are three main methods to reset it. Each method works best in different situations depending on what you have access to. The first and most common method is email-based recovery. When you request a password reset, DoorDash sends a secure link to your registered email address. The password reset link expires within 24 hours for security purposes. This method works best when you have reliable access to your email account. The second method is SMS recovery. If you don't have access to your email, DoorDash can send a 6-digit verification code to your registered phone number. The verification code is valid for only 10 minutes, so you'll need to enter it quickly. This method is perfect when your email is unavailable, but you have your phone. The third method uses two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. You can use authenticator apps like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator to verify your identity. You can also use backup codes if you saved them when setting up two-factor authentication. This method provides the highest security and works even without phone or email access. Choose the method that works best for your situation. Email recovery for standard access, SMS when email is unavailable, and two-factor authentication for maximum security. When you're completely locked out of your DoorDash account with no access to your email or phone number, you'll need to contact customer service directly. In this situation, you must contact DoorDash customer service and be prepared to verify your identity through your order history or payment methods. If you suspect your account has been compromised, take immediate action. Reset your password right away and terminate all active sessions to prevent further unauthorized access. DoorDash is implementing advanced authentication methods for the future, including passwordless login options like magic links and biometric authentication for enhanced convenience and security. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication, keep your recovery information updated, use strong, unique passwords, and monitor your account activity regularly.